everyone. Today I am going to try an open cup pour. So I just wanted to let you know my colors today. This first color is what I'm going to flood my canvas with. It's my drippings from another pour that I did. I think it was Golden Sands of the Sea and I think Wave Pour also. So I just collected my drippings and this is what I am going to use. It's a bunch of different colors mixed together. Couldn't tell you what they are. I'm going to be using one of my favorites, Prussian blue is going to be, and this is Amsterdam Prussian blue mixed with Liquitex gloss medium and varnish. And then that also has a little GAC 800 and maybe a tad of water, actually Floetrol. Here is DecoArt Extreme Sheen in Peridot. I don't know, I hope you guys can see that, it's so pretty. And that is mixed with GAC 800 and Floetrol, and a bit of the pouring medium as well to kind of thicken it up because it was a little thin. So I used that gloss medium and varnish to kind of thicken it up. This is a bunch of colors mixed together. This is Liquitex Basics in Cerulean blue mixed with Artist Loft metallic blue, and then I also had some Art Alchemy blue violet left, so I just threw that in. It kind of gives it a really pretty color. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't see that, but here, I don't know, it shifts nicely. So that I'm going to use, of course, I have the 24 karat gold. It's kind of goopy today. I'm gonna have to thin that one down a little bit. And here is just some white left over, Satin Enamels white with some iridescent pearl golden mixed together. I just have that left over. I'm going to use that. And then I have golden iridescent bronze fine, so I'm going to use some of that as well. So I'm going to thin down this gold really quick, and I'm going to flood my canvas, and then I will get back to you. Puddle first down. I love this base coat. It has shimmer in it because I think I had 24 karat gold in it and some other iridescent colors, so it's really a pretty background. So I don't think I want to have some negative space in here, so I'm hoping that I can achieve that. So I am going to first of all use Prussian blue. And then I am going to do the 24 karat gold after that because it seems like it just makes the prettiest cells when you do that. Now I am going to add the Cerulean blue mixed with the metallic and the Art Alchemy. I want to do some of this Peridot on top of that. Probably need a bigger canvas for all I want to do here. I'm starting to lose my cups over here. I'm gonna tilt this a little bit and go this way more. More this way. Okay. And let's see. Now what? I think I'm going to do a little of the Prussian blue again. Whoop, whoop. do I put the white in? Let's try a little bit of this. That goes. That Peridot is so pretty, but it kind of takes over a little bit. So let's see what happens here. A little more gold. Oh, I'm losing my cup off the edge here. Okay, and I'm gonna end here. This blue. Oh, losing all my paint off the edges here. It's okay though. Live and learn, live and learn. That's what I say. Just gonna have some more scrapings to add to a cup. So, I'm going to edge. So, just kind of gonna torch this. Let's see if I can get anything to come up. Not as many cells as I was hoping for. Lots of air bubbles though. Let's see. enamels all mixing together. Really, really pretty.